That's when I saw it, man. The most brutal, single most savage thing I'd ever seen in my life. Yes, it's not a drill. The prodigal son has returned. More on why I've been so MIA after the story. Now, if you didn't know by now, birds are bullies. For centuries, birds have been shitting on people, and people are so afraid of them that they say it's good luck. Birds are not here to play with us people. They will do whatever they have to do to shit on us. And they have been studying about this for centuries. So it's only reasonable they would have territories. And if you dare enter one of their territories, you might get the boot. Still think I'm exaggerating? Okay, I'll give you a real life example. One morning I was walking to the window to contemplate about life. To work out or to bath? That was the question. And that's when I saw it, man. The most brutal, single most savage thing I'd ever seen in my life. Bird bullies. Now, I don't know what this bird did. Still one of the bird's girl maybe. Or the money. But the shark was real. But then one of the birds did something hella savage I did not expect. He stomped on that bird's pinky. You don't do that. You don't stomp on another man's pinky. How is he going to perform pinky promises with the girl he stole from one of these guys? Because clearly that's what this is about.